soap is one of my 100% natural soap. This is Lavender Patch, and it is mainly a lavender soap, but I add just a touch of cedarwood and a touch of patchouli in there. Now, I'm not, to be honest, I'm not a huge fan of lavender by itself, and I'm not a huge fan of, well, cedarwood or patchouli. But when you add those together, it smells amazing. It adds a whole new level of yumminess with that fragrance blend. So this is a 100% natural cold process soap. It is wrapped in biodegradable shrink wrap. And for the colors, I added, oh, this is also goat's milk soap. I added purple Brazilian clay and alkanet. So I added, the base is that purple Brazilian clay, and then the alkanet, I did the hanger swirls in there. And this one I actually poured upside down because I have this impression mat that I did on the bottom. You can't really see it too well because I have the seam from the shrink wrap, the biodegradable shrink wrap from the biodegradable shrink wrap on there. And it was a silicone mat, so it's really nice and easy to take off on those. But adding in some kaolin clay, that helps to anchor the fragrances, and also patchouli and lavender and cedarwood. Those are really good to use in those natural cold process soaps because they do last a long time in there. So I did just the drop swirls and then hanger swirls with the goat's milk. I do gel all my soaps, so typically with the goat's milk and the sugars in it, sometimes you gel it. It does make it darker, so this is why it's a little bit darker versus if I would have put it straight in the freezer, it probably would have been a little bit lighter purple. But you know what? That doesn't bother me at all, and it makes amazing bar soap. So let's head on over and watch the video of how I made this.